la première fois que je viens à Zadar. This is my first time. J'adore parce que c'est super beau. Il y a la mer, il y a les bateaux, les boats. Et puis il y a voilà, il y a tout le monde. Les gens sont gentils, sympas. Non, je suis très contente d'être à Zadar.
For 25 years, I'm the sound engineer for Manu Galo. Yeah, and also now tour manager, so taking care of the business when we are on tour. We're both very good friends for 25 years, so we know each other by heart. It's like my sister. She came from Africa. She was a friend of ours. He's like a booker, you know. So he saw her in Africa and brought her back in Belgium. She was playing in Moya, which was a pretty famous band in the country. And then when she came to Belgium, she was the bass player for Zap Mama. And Manu was playing with these bands, but then, you know, chose to do her own career. And then she went really for her music, which is more than Africa, which is really and more than world music.
Je suis un play bass, un bass woman. Donc ce soir, nous allons jouer de la basse. Pourquoi j'ai choisi la basse? Parce que à la base, je suis percussionniste, un play percussion. Et la percussion et la basse sont similaires. Et c'est pour ça que j'ai choisi la basse. C'est une musique, c'est un mélange, c'est un voyage. Nous allons voyager ce soir, nous allons écouter du blues, du jazz, du funk, du ziglibiti, du gbegbe. Mais je vois déjà le public assez doux, assez chaleureux. On va commencer doucement. Et puis à la fin, on va s'amuser, on va jouer de la basse.
Thank you.
Thank you.